Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Aline. Welcome to this video review about the Biorestore Complete. Today I'm here to get you guys to know everything about the serum, how it works, what does it do, and so much more. So if you don't want to miss out on important information, if you don't want to have regrets and end up purchasing it from the wrong place or using it like not in the correct way, watch this video until the very end. Every single minute of this video, I will be sharing something new, informative, and that you would want to know, of course. And since we're here right now, let me tell you the first and most important alert that you need to know about the Biorestore Complete. That is where you're going to get it from. Now, if you don't want to lose your money, if you don't want to have regrets, do not purchase Biorestore Complete on other places rather than its official website. Biorestore Complete is only available on the official website. I mean, the original one, all right? So that is why I'm here to help you out. I will be leaving the link to their official website below this video in the description box. That is the only place you need to be going to get it from. So just make sure you purchase it from over there in order to receive the original Biorestore, in order to make a safe purchase and not be frustrated with it. All right, guys? Now, as I was saying, Biorestore Complete, it is basically one of the only formula in the world that contains 16 powerful natural ingredients that all work together in perfect synergy to clear your dark spots from the face. It also protects against the harmful radiation that, lights have, and it erases all signs of damaging and aging off of your skin. So it contains some very powerful natural ingredients, and I know it has things like sencha, which is really great, which improves your skin's elasticity, and it is a perfect skin rejuvenator. It contains witch hazel and horsetail that are gentle astringents and also protects against radiation. It has jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is the ingredient you need for your skin, which is a natural moisturizer, and it boosts collagen production. So it's like marvelous. It has other natural ingredients, of course, but I could just go on and on and on here, but you can read the full list of every ingredient it contains on the official website. But guys, basically Biorestore, it will help you to remove any dark spots from your face. So if you are young and you already have dark spots, don't say it's because of aging, because it's not. It could be because your skin is lacking some sort of vitamin. It could be because of the light. Yes, light radiation is really bad for your skin. It could be because of pollution. It could be because of lots of things. So that is where the Biorestore Complete comes in. It is recommended that you apply the serum in the morning and before going to bed at night. So just make sure you clean your face, remove any pollution, any dirt, any oil, remove it completely, and then apply the Biorestore Complete. Like, it is so safe for you guys to use on your neck as well, on your cleavage area, and even on your hands. So you're going to get great results out of it. You're going to have baby skin, soft skin, beautiful skin without any blemishes, without any dark spots. Not to mention, guys, your skin is going to be hydrated. It's like you're going to be back, to a little kid with a little baby face. So you're going to get beautiful skin out of the Biorestore Complete. Now, it is important though that you remember that this is a treatment, so you need to apply it every day until you completely remove the dark spots that you are looking to remove. So just make sure you use it every day if you really want to remove dark spots. And you are also backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee should you need a refund. So from the very first day of your purchase, you get 60 days to test it out. If you are unhappy with it, go back to the official website, talk to the support group, and they will help you get every single penny back. All right, guys, those are the most important things I wanted to share with you. If you have any more doubts, questions, leave them in the comments below. Visit the official website. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys next time.